How to add promo code in Lyft. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is me Pipan Basnet, and today I'll guide you on how you can easily add promo code in Lyft. Now while you may think that the process is quite complicated, actually it's quite simple and easy. So let me guide you through quick and easy with this video. You want to simply open up your Lyft application and make sure you're signed into your account. In my case, I'm already signed in, and you can see here on the screen. What you want to do is, once you get an interface like this, you want to tap on the three horizontal line icon or the hamburger icon at the top left corner of your screen. Once you tap on it, you'll get all sorts of options. You can see notifications, invite friends, ride history, payments, rewards, gift cards, donate, help, and settings, and drive with Lyft. So what you want to do is you want to simply tap on the rewards section there. You don't want to tap on gift cards, but instead you want to tap on rewards section. Once you tap on it, you can see the very first link there, add promo code option. You want to simply tap on add promo code, and you'll have to enter in your promo code here and it'll be applied. So this way you can easily apply promo code in Lyft. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and don't forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.